Yes, blessed my people. Yeah. So I want to big up Island Chais TV, It's a great content creator. So all my loyal subscribers, just go over to his channel and subscribe for me. I will leave a link down below. Yes, but anyway, we have to talk about this. So as you can see by the title, yes, Flat Bridge. When you ever notice, say, a lot of people been dying at Flat Bridge. Sometime, some mystery, like the other day a lady was driving a black Suzuki van and she just get fed up and just drive it over the Flat Bridge into the river. She drowned and died. And when you look at those things, you have to really check it. Spooky. But I'm going to let you watch this video.
That there is a golden table that floats atop the water underneath a bridge that surfaces only on the hottest days at noon in the river. Another is foretold that during construction, each plantation around the Bogwalk area was required to provide one slave every 50 servants to work on this bridge. Many slaves lost their lives, and some Jamaicans still believe those bodies were used as the foundation for the piers of what is now known as the Flat Bridge. The bridge, thought to have been constructed between 1724 and 1725, runs along a river abound with exotic...
Yes, so you thought that was weird. So I was saying about the lady. Yes, that's a very strange incident. Something could have possessed her if you just drive over and kill herself like that. And you have to really look in these things. A railing cannot put at Flat Bridge as yet because some kind of mistake all down to the Prime Minister himself, Freda. Yes, so this girl can tell you a lot more about the history.
Flat Bridge in Jamaica. Let's talk about it. So if you live in Jamaica, you're from Jamaica, or you just know about this bridge, you would know that this is one of the oldest bridges there is in Jamaica. So this bridge was constructed and built by the slaves in the mid 18th centuries. So hundreds of slaves died in the process of building this bridge. And what is weird about this bridge is there is no railing. As you can see that this bridge does not have any railing. They have attempted to put new railings up. They've tried to find every way to put railings up on this bridge, but it will not stay. So some people think that it's the ghost from the slaves that died hundreds of years ago in the process of making this bridge, or is it the mermaids that lie beneath this bridge that's taking these railings down and causing these mysterious car accidents?
Yes, my people, so you see how long this place has been built in Jamaica, and something you cannot explain it. It's because sometimes it's a mystery, and sometimes the CM government them know. Yeah. Now put my mouth a ground and talk. And I'm not talking about normal things, Very weird and strange things have been going on from over the year. They seem to can't get a railing over on the Flat Bridge right here, so as you can see, so it's without railing, and it's very spooky because all these years, as I was saying about the Prime Minister, it looked like he cannot get anybody to get this done or dealt with the right way. Yes. So I want to hear, yes, I would like to read your comments, so at least comment some down in the comment section. Check out Island Chais TV and subscribe to him. Yes, my people. So I hope this in so many ways help you and give you some insight on what really taking place. A lot of things been taking place, and we have to ensure that we are on the right track, you understand? Because to be crossing this bridge, so much spirit, you have to be on the right track. So thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.